If you're wondering how to post jobs on Top Echelon, this quick guide will walk you through the steps and help you get your job postings up in no time. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to improve your workflow, you'll find everything you need right here. Top Echelon is an excellent tool for recruitment professionals, especially if you want to maximize your reach and streamline the hiring process. The platform helps you manage job postings, connect with candidates, and share opportunities within your professional network. It's a great resource for agencies looking to grow their business or expand their talent pool. First, log into your Top Echelon account. If you don't have one yet, check the first link in the description below where we offer an exclusive bonus to try the software for free. You'll get access to all the features with no obligations, and it's a great way to get started. Once you're in, head to the job postings section. This is where all your job listings will appear, and it's the central hub for posting new roles. Click on Add New Job to begin. Next, you'll need to fill in the job details. Start with the title. Be clear and concise so candidates can easily understand the position. A good job title can make a big difference in attracting the right talent. Make sure to use relevant keywords that candidates are likely to search for. After the title, move on to the job description. Be thorough but to the point. Include key responsibilities, qualifications, and any special skills required for the role. The more specific you are, the more likely you are to attract suitable candidates. Don't forget to mention the company's culture or values if they align with the job. You'll also need to fill in the job location, whether it's remote or on-site, and provide details about the compensation and benefits. These factors are essential for job seekers and can influence their decision to apply. When posting jobs on Top Echelon, you can choose to make the posting private or public. If you want to limit visibility to just your network, keep it private. However, if you want to cast a wider net and have access to more potential applicants, go public. You can also set preferences for which types of candidates you'd like to target, based on experience, skills, and other factors. Top Echelon allows you to schedule job postings too. You can set a specific date and time for your job listing to go live. This feature is perfect if you're planning ahead and want the job posting to be active at the most strategic time. Once everything is filled out, review your job posting to make sure all the information is accurate. Double-check the title, description, and any additional fields. Then hit Post Job to make it live. It's that simple. If you're looking to enhance your hiring strategy, Top Echelon offers additional features, such as the ability to track applicants, manage resumes, and even communicate directly with candidates through the platform. These tools are extremely helpful for staying organized and ensuring that your hiring process runs smoothly. Now, before you go, here's the best part. If you're watching this video, you have access to an exclusive, extended free trial of Top Echelon. Click the link below to get started and see how this platform can transform your hiring process. By using this guide, you should be able to post jobs on Top Echelon confidently and get the right candidates in no time. It's a straightforward process, and with the exclusive trial, you can explore all the platform's features without any risk. Be sure to check the link below for that extended free trial and get started today.